Okay, it's Easter Sunday, and Baby, or Parrot, is taking a bath. He needs one very badly, and I have the cats outside, and the heat turned up for him. Oh boy, he's wet me. Good boy, Baby. This is his Easter. Happy Easter present to take a nice bath. Yep. He's a Quaker Parrot. When he curses, too. I didn't teach it to him, but whoever I got him from gave him quite a repertoire of cuss words, so... He just loves the water. Beep, beep. What are you doing? The cats want to come in. I had to lock the door. Oh, I guess he's done. Have a cracker. You want a cracker, baby? There's your crackers right there. That was a quick bath. Okay, signing off. Baby had his bath.